Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So after my hydro dipping video yesterday, I got all excited and I tried some Christmas ornaments. I think they look amazing. I did two, one that was a little lighter. I used more of the white. By the way, I'm just reusing my glows from yesterday because why not? So I thought I would do a video on that. And I just think that this is getting really exciting. So for today, I'm using the same Valspar I've been using. This is like a navy blue, and it is glossy. And then I'm using Rustoleum gold. And then also a difference is I have hot or warm water in here instead of cold water. So people suggested that as something that might help the paint not dry so fast. And these are just the plastic little ornaments from Michael's. I get them in a big container of, I think it comes in like a container of, I don't know, 25 pieces for 20 bucks, but they're often on sale. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and once again, I'm going to apply my mask, and then I'm going to put the spray paint on here, and I'm going to dip them one at a time. So I'll do one and then spray paint some more and then do another one. So here we go. All right. So once again, I'm sure I could use a little practice, but super duper cool how these guys came out. And they will dry just like this. They will not change at all. It's spray paint, so it is basically dry already. And I would definitely recommend sealing these. If anything, just so, you know, they'll just last longer. I don't think you need to seal them, like have to, but I would recommend it. Alright, so lastly, because I got all this stuff here and ready to go, I think I'm also going to do this little candle holder glass, because I have it here and it seems like it would work very well. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this. Okay, so I missed a spot on the first run through, so I had to come back, but look how cool that is, and super easy, obviously totally unique. In hindsight, I probably should have taken the bottom sticker off first, but you know, whatever. And this is just from the dollar store, this one. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna, let's see how it looks with a candle in it, because why not? Okay, it's dry. Let's stick a candle in here, because I'm very excited about this. I don't know about you, but I like to see how it looks like in real life application. Awesome. And now let's turn out the lights. I'm going to bring the phone down. So I don't know about you, but I think this is gorgeous, personally. You don't have to put a candle in it. You can put other lights, but super cool, right? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I am definitely having a lot of fun. To finish this off, I would just attach a ribbon, probably a gold one, and then it's ready to go. I'll just seal these all with clear using the Rustoleum Crystal Clear Enamel Spray. I'm sure you could resin it too if you wanted. Once again, not totally needed because it is spray paint, so it's designed to stick to any surface, including glass and plastic. But just for longevity, I would just add that clear coat on there because why not? Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe. I see you next time.